Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole. All right, anti-theft security Shur locking mechanisms and flash collars should have all shipped out by today, Friday, unless you're getting this Saturday. Some of our emails have gone out on Saturday, but they should have all shipped out by now, at least the majority. I did get an update from our fulfillment center that we were short some of the back ordered orders because we do have hundreds of them. So when we got these items back in stock, we were short a few. So it's possible some of you who ordered later in the weekend on July 4th weekend might be getting yours a little bit later than this weekend being shipped out. And I know some are going out on Monday as well. But otherwise, the bulk should be on its way to you. The Eagle Toppers and Patriotic Eagle Flags, things are pretty much falling into line with what we'd originally talked about, although the 2 to 3 week time of starting to ship them out, of course, we're already into that 2 to 3 weeks. And last I talked with this site, they were in stage 2 of production, and soon we'll be able to get them into our fulfillment center and start sending them out to you. We do plan to include the Patriotic Eagle Flag for those who are waiting on that item, the Patriotic Eagle Flag and the Eagle Topper together, so as not to unnecessarily send you 2 separate packages. We already know that you've gotten items sent separately, and we want to make it as simple as possible. So that is our plan for that. And once I have more specific dates of shipping out, I'm going to make sure that you have that information as well. The anti-theft security Shur locking mechanism. Just a friendly reminder, it is not a part of your install process, so there's nothing hindering you from going ahead and installing your flagpole and getting Old Glory flying. You should have gotten your solar light by now. You should have gotten a gold ball topper in your basic Phoenix telescoping flagpole kit, and of course you should have gotten the ground sleeve kit to be able to use to install it. So all of these items give you the ability to get Old Glory flying and lit at night. And then the Eagle Topper will be, a special bonus when that shows up. And your anti-theft security Shur locking device you can install after. And during this back order time, our company is honoring the anti-theft warranty as a peace of mind for our customers. Lastly, the review emails. I know that many of you have received review emails. Please review your order. Something like, now that you've got your order, or now that it's complete, or whatever it says. I don't even remember the exact wording for it. But that automatic email typically works perfectly because we never have these kinds of back order situations. We historically have had a very quick turnaround as a company. And so that automatically gets shipped out. I think it's like approximately 2 weeks after an order is created. And many of you received those 0 orders that we talked about, giving you that record of outstanding items. So if you got a 0 order created a couple of weeks ago for your Eagle Topper and Eagle Flag, then you're going to get that email automatically is going to get sent out at a certain time afterwards asking you to review it. So I apologize for any confusion. Of course, you could wait to review it until you've got that item in hand. If you've got a Skip-a-Del review email for the Skip-a-Del bundle, you could go ahead and just review the actual products that you've received already, which really the bulk of that bundle is your flagpole kit. So you could do that, or you could wait to fill out the review until you have all of the accessories, or you don't have to fill it out at all. Please don't feel obligated. It's just something that we use. It's been just a really wonderful tool to get feedback from our customers to help our company know, where we need to grow, what changes that we can make, what we can do to best keep customer satisfaction at the forefront of our planning as we continue to grow as a company. And so we love feedback, honest feedback, whether it's negative or positive. It is welcomed because it really helps us. But we do appreciate your patience during this process, and I hope that provides a little bit of clarification on the review. So no pressure on that. You don't even have to fill it out. But that is why you've been receiving those emails. Okay? All right. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we will talk again soon. And we're really excited to get the remainder of these items out to you. And so you have everything that you have been waiting on in purchasing your Skip-a-Del bundle. Thank you so much.